Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to align your video widget and let's see. So let's go to page and add new page and add here YouTube widget or video widget. So copy the code here. I am copying my code of latest video and paste it here. Publish it and view your page. As you see, it's center line. Let's see how we can manage our alignment left, right, and edit it. So click on this widget and here is the alignment option. Wide width, full width, align left, align center, or align right. Let's align left and update it. Let's see our view page. So our video is left align. Let's align it which we selected wide width, wide width. So it will cover the our most of our page. So as you see, so let's see the other setting. So let's edit it. Let's see how to uh, it will show an full width. So it's covering our whole screen. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and kindly do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thanks for watching.